Hello everyone, today we're going to have an osCommerce tutorials for beginners, so please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on osCommerce, you can use our links in the description down below where you can get discounts or rewards upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. So as you can see, what is osCommerce? So as you know, osCommerce is a free and open source e-commerce and online store management, just like Shopify or other platforms like Wix, etc. Like that. It was one of the earliest open source shopping cart platforms. First launched in 2000 and has been used by thousands of businesses to build online store. And basically, it allows users to manage products, categories, customers, orders, and payment shipping options from one interface. So as you can see, when you visit the website, so this is what you can see. So from the home page, you would see the introduction to what osCommerce is, highlighting its features, open source nature, and community driven development. And right here, if you go rightly under this one, osCommerce Force, you would see that they will showcase the features or the application that osCommerce offers. So the platform that you're using is osCommerce 4 that you can download, and it has a free trial. But yeah, same thing as other paid e-commerce platform. You need to pay before you can actually use the platform itself. And as you can see from from its services, it has e-commerce development, migration to osCommerce, osCommerce hosting, enterprise service, white label e-commerce, and from the app shop you would see the designs, their marketings, their SEO tools, payment shipping, etc., etc. Same thing with this retail pack, wholesale, B2B pack, marketplace, submit app, request apps. And yes, as you can see, you have two options. You can download your free shopping cart, or you can try with osCommerce host. So in 2025, e-commerce platform needs to use the latest server technology. That's why this platform uses PHP 8.3 and MariaDB 10.x to offer the fastest and most secure performance for ultimate speed and security. And they will always develop for compatibility with the latest best versions of server software, ensuring that your e-commerce shopping cart is always fast, safe, and secure. And if you want, you can just try the e-commerce platform demo. If you click on it, you will be redirected to this page right here where you can see a bunch of their application. They have furniture, their application e-commerce for furniture if you're selling furniture, for watches if you're selling watches, if your e-commerce it's in the watches, and for B2B supermarket, and also for printing shop. So yeah, they have these four main multiple channels that you can install, and it depends on what type of e-commerce you have. And also they offer the admin osCommerce. So the admin osCommerce is actually your dashboard where you can manage all of your e-commerce at once. And if you click on it, you just need to since it is a demo, let's sign in. So let's wait. So this is how it would look like when you download the osCommerce. So this is your dashboard. This is where you can see your back ends, your sales summary from today, this week. You can see your clients today, the orders that has been processed today, average net order, and the total amount of orders. And also for this week, same thing, clients order, etc., etc. And also you would see right here on the right side your graph that showcase the total orders, the comparison of total orders to average order amount and the total amount. So using this graph right here, you can just manage your sales and study it, and analyze where to improve and where to not. And right here for your products, this is where you could see all of your listing, all the products that you have listed, all the master products, child products, and bundles products. And right here on the news, you would see all of the news about the osCommerce, the update that has been posted, so that would be updated. And right here for new applications, So the store locator, the search plus, report by email, and refer friend module, RBS wordplay, PXPay, purchase report, and product relocation, etc., etc. You would see all of that right here, and you can just watch their video to get an introduction, and you would see the manual of the osCommerce, how to use it, and they have a link provided for that. And same thing with this feature applications, so you can see, you can use all of this application right here. And don't worry, because yes, as I said, as you can see, they provide link for video tutorial for every application that you want to use. And as you can see, that is the whole content for the dashboard. You can see your general detailed, and yeah, that's it. And for the orders, as I said, if you click on the order section, you would see your orders more detailed right here. uh yes, for example, or this one, the name of the customers who ordered, the total price of the order, and the order detailed. And as you can see, you will see what payment gateway they use for paying their order. And you can see the date purchases and the status. It's either it is under processing, it is a new order, or it's already been delivered. Yeah, just like that. And same thing with customers. You would see all of your customers right here. You would see the full information of the customers, when did their account is created, their location, their order count, total ordered, and date of their last order from your e-commerce. Also their emails. Same thing with their first name and last name. And same thing with temporary orders, customers inactive, and customers group. And for the products and catalog, you would see your products more detailed, your listed products right here. And you can just see all of your products on every app, on every section. So as you said, as you can see, the osCommerce is divided by four main e-commerce products: furniture, watches, B2B, and print shop. And you can see all of your listed service and product right here. This one, as you can see, for print shop, I have Epson, Canon, and Brother. For supermarket, I have chairs, computer and workstation, tables, furniture. They have accessories, but all of these are on demo only. But yeah, this is how it would look like when you're, you add your products right here. And if you want to, and for example, you want to create a product, you can just click this one right here, this option. It says create product. And if you want to delete your products under the section, for example, the print shop, if you want to delete this, you can just click this one and delete selected right here. Go to the section, enter your products, find your products, and click this box right here. And right there on the right side, you would see some actions that you can do. You can move it or you can delete it. And you can turn the status on or off if you want to. For example, your product is not available, you can just turn this off. And right when it's available now, you can just turn it on back. That's it. And for the previews, you would see the reviews from your customers. And for the products group, yeah, you can just explore this one. This is the your group of certain products, and also your suppliers too. You can see this. And for the warehouses, and also the products that you imported or exported, and you can see their details right here. They will be listed right here. And for the under reports, you would see your sales statistic. Actually, you can see this one on your dashboard, but it is incomplete. The full information of your sales statistic will be right here. But as I said, this is just a demo, so no data is available. But if you have one, the your data would be appearing right here. Same thing with stock taking costs and also your deleted orders. So if you do somehow delete some orders, and yes, that's it. So you would see all of this right here. For example, this stock taking costs. You would see the products, the quantity, the taxes inside it, the table heading SP, total sale price, purchase price, total purchase price, the brand, the supplier, stock availability, and stock delivery terms. And that's it for the reports. And for the marketing tools, you would see the coupons that the coupons that you can add to your products, and some gift card. And also for the banner manager, same thing too. You can see all of your sales channel named right here and the number of banners it has. So for example, this one, the osCommerce demo, it only have one banners. For the furniture, it has 11 banners. B2B market, print shop, and watch. Yeah, you can see all of your banners right here. Same thing with sales. You would see all the sales that you have committed, or you have created on a certain date. You could see it, the products, the old price, the product price, started date, and its status. And if you want, for example, on your e-commerce, you do some giveaways. You can see all of your giveaways right here. You can add, if you want to add giveaway, you can just click this one, add new giveaway. And if you want to have a feature products, yeah, this is actually the featured products. This is all the featured products that this demo created. But if you want to add one, just click this one, insert, and right there, just type or choose product that you want. Type the type of the product, and that's it. So for the SEO, it's morely from the search engine, so you don't really need to learn this much. And for the design, you can actually edit a page, uh, the menus, the themes of your e-commerce, example like this. So basically, this is how your this is for this is the demo, but this is how my recent so this is how my furniture So this is how my online shop or online e-commerce platform look like. This is only a demo, but if you want, you can create a theme yourself for your watch e-commerce, furniture e-commerce, print shop e-commerce, or B2B e-commerce. You can, create them, or you can customize them if you want. If you click customize, you will be redirected to another editing another editing page. So as you can see, you need to choose whether you want to edit the desktop version or the mobile version. So I'm going to choose desktop, for example, and right here I will be redirected to the editor page, where right here I can edit this one. So this is very intuitive. This is just a drag and drop editor. You can just click on each section, and if you want to edit them, just click this right here. There would be an editing window that will appear, and that's it. And for the managers, if you want to add some members to your e-commerce, for example, your assistant, yeah, etc., etc., all of your workers that under your e-commerce, you can manage them right here. And for the settings, you can just see the configuration of your whole store, whole e-commerce, and other things. But mostly that's it. That's how you can use osCommerce. And actually, this is just a demo, but if you want, you just need to go to the website and get in touch and create an account and book a consultation to some uh, discuss some terms with the e-commerce or osCommerce agent. So you can just create your account and get the application, and that's it. That's how you can use osCommerce. And also, that's it for this tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one.